Got the drywall, 20 sheets. 20 sheets to go. About to get this ceiling together. I'm not gonna do a tutorial on this because it's a ceiling. I'm taking this down and I'm gonna replace it with drywall. But I'll come back and show you a little bit later. But this is the before. And wait till you see the after. Okay, the ceiling is out. The old ceiling is out. And I decided to keep this wood here. Instead of going to the joist, this wood would act as a good foundation. Like, why take the wood down when it's here? I think up in here I'm going to do something different, make some doors. So we can easily get in this area here if we ever have to do some work. Of course, you see I got to do some work in there with the wood and fixing up this foundation, but it's going to be nice, baby. It's going to be nice.
I see ya. Let's go. What's up, it's your boy Cody here, Chi-Town.
Phase 1 of the basement is done. Corners cut. I'm gonna put a trap door right here so they can get to their plumbing and electrical stuff. So it's gonna be a big trap door right here so they can get to their stuff. Everything else is cut. Looking good. Looking good. There you go, baby. We in there, baby. Let's go.